Real J Doll here on the Real J Doll's channel. Today is Friday, December 16th. We are less than 2 weeks away from Christmas. I'm sure there are still a few holiday parties going on, so I wanted to show you guys how to make a few quick holiday party games. I actually have a small holiday party today. It wasn't even supposed to be over here, but let's not even get into the details on that. It's going to be here, and I'm going to be making games. One I'm really going to make, and then I'm going to show you the others, and then I'll also maybe include clips from the party so you can see like how I went. But I just wanted to get on here and show you guys really quick simple, easy, fun Christmas games that you can make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this first game, we are going to make this. Hopefully this is a picture or a video, because of course I haven't done it yet, but this is what we're gonna make. I have all the supplies here. It literally costs less than $20 to make this, so let me show you what I got. First, I have this board of like thick cardstock like paper. This costs $1 from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 bags of decorative shed, both were $1 each from Dollar Tree. I got gift tissue, this was $1. This is a hot glue gun. Hopefully you guys already have this. I didn't include this in my total, but I don't know, this may be like less than $10, maybe $5, I don't know, but let's not include that in the price that I said earlier. These are ponytail holders. I only got these because I couldn't find rubber bands, but this I also got from the dollar store. I got these cups, great value from Walmart, and then I got a few gifts to go inside. Now the gifts are optional. You can put whatever you want in the cups, but I have a few gifts. I'll actually have cards in some of them that'll have like different things for you to do. Be responsible. As you guys seen, the cups laid out at tree formation on the board. So I'm gonna take some cups. I'm gonna lay these out. I'm also going to plug up my hot glue gun. Let's go ahead and do that. To make the tree though, it's really easy. Like literally just put the cups in windows and then stack them until you get a point. Your tree doesn't have to be perfect, especially right now just because we are lining them up. Ta-da! Literally super easy. Okay, next we're going to take our shed and then we're gonna put a little of each color in each cup. So that way, you know, it looks a little festive. You make this game, people aren't gonna know what to do with you. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're so creative. Yeah. Watch the Real J Doll. And then next, we are going to put some gifts in them. I got a little 5-pack of gum. Look at this. This is candy popcorn Sour Patch Kid style. The air is making it stick out, guys. I got a pair of socks. I also have 2 gift cards. But I feel like this should be my Secret Santa gift. Give me time, let me think on it a little bit. I made some cards. On the cards, they're literally just old pieces of like scrapbook paper that I had. And then on the back, it's a party. I have like staring contests with person of your choice, sing a song. Some of these say like just another L, like just a blank card. Just like different little cool fun things to do to get people like up and moving. I'm gonna put one of these in each cup that's empty. Putting each one. Okay, so now everything is full, or everything has something inside. Now we're gonna take some more gift tissue paper and then cover each of the cups with just a little bit of each one. Then once we do that, I'm going to use these scrunchies to actually close the paper over top of the cup. So super easy, you know, you don't have to do too much. Remember, you can use like regular rubber bands. I just couldn't find them. Okay, so this will be trash. And then I did fold this over in half. Four, 6, 8. Okay, so here are 8 covers. And I'm just gonna do the same with the red. Okay, so this is how it looks. Next, I'm just gonna take the hot glue gun and then I'm just gonna glue all of these cups in place. Okay, that's finally done. And now, for the test. I'm so scared. Hey, okay, we actually have a tree. So I'm just gonna put numbers on each of the cup, just, you know, 1, 2, 3. You probably can't see it for real, but we have numbers. And then I'm probably just gonna add like a couple stars or little squiggles to the board. So that way it's cute, and then we're done with this. This is the next game that I got. And I know you guys are like, what? How is this a game? They're just cups. I have 4 colors of each cup. You have 2 teams, or maybe 4 teams if you want. You have all 1 color set of cups, and then you add a different color on top. The objective of the game is to get the red cup back on top. But you can only do the cups 1 at a time. I'm just doing it like this to show you guys because, you know, time's sake. But as soon as you get down to the bottom, once you get this last cup and take it to the top, you're done. You can take this and then you can use this as a relay race, or you can just go one-on-one with whoever you want. Or if you get a variety pack like this and you have 4 different colors, then you have 4 teams play at the same time. Your choice, but this is another game. This pack of cups costs $10 at Walmart, so affordable what? Affordable. The last game that I'm probably gonna have time to make on camera for you guys is the Jingle game. All you're gonna need is 4 items. Some tape, mini ornaments, a cup for each ornament, and then you'll need some string. The objective of the game is to have the cup taped to you, a string holding the jingle bell, and you literally have to like rock back and forth trying to get the jingle bell into the cup. First, we are going to take some string. I feel like this is a good amount to be able to tie around someone. We're gonna cut 3 pieces of string this length. We're gonna take each piece of string, where it falls in the middle, that's where we're going to tape it around the cup. Let's make sure it works. Okay, yes! On that Tootsie Roll. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other 2 cups. Okay guys, so all the cups are taped. Now we need to add the jingle ball to a string on the bottom of the cup. All we're going to do is tie the string to this ornament, and then we are going to tape that same piece of string to the bottom of the cup. I think this is 2 feet. I don't know how long this is, y'all. I don't even know. But we're gonna do it about this way. Just, you know, wherever you feel comfortable, honestly. Nothing too long to where it's hitting the floor, but nothing too close to where it's still touching your crotch. Okay guys, so the dream team helped me put together the last game of the night. Super easy, super affordable. All I did was buy 2 poster boards, and then I had printer paper, and this is the game. Andrea's doing the final touches. But this is what it looks like. It's super fun. So let me step back. You have to pretty much just put your feet in your hands where it tells you, but you can't take your time. You have to go super fast, and if you mess up like this, then you're out. Just be responsible. And yeah, so that is all for the affordable games. I hope you guys really enjoyed these. If you try them, let me know how they worked. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I think that's all. So I'm gonna show you a quick clip of us playing this game, and then I will see you all in the next video.